Hi everybody, this is a quick short video. This place here, LC Waki, which is in Antalya, Mark, and this place, Nakis Uniforma. These are the two places we visited. So we went to the first place. So the shops we got some hoodies from there, really good quality, like Primark but better quality. And then we found this place near the hotel. This is where you can get stitched logos or text done, and they pretty much do everything. We were very lucky. It was the day before we left, and I had everything on my phone, so I was able to send over our logo, the Halal or Haram logo, and our site, which is it halal or haram.com. So we thought it'd be very important to get a stitched version of a hoodie done, as it lasts a lot longer. It just looks a lot better. So as you can see here, they were able to give us some access to the back, and our logo was being imprinted on the back of a hoodie. So what I decided to do was get it Halal or Haram, the logo in English, and then in terms of the website at the bottom. You can see around here they've got a lot of things here. If you're a large company, it's definitely worth coming out to Turkey and or even somehow getting these guys to print in mass. I was quite cheeky. I got them to do basically one item. But if I knew about them beforehand, I would have got a whole bunch of things done. But I've kept their details for future reference, and they made a mold of my logo. So when I return, we can have it done again, inshallah. So yeah, we're just experimenting with my iPhone with some slow motions, as you can see here. Looking really good. If you haven't already, just remember to subscribe on the YouTube channel, and do remember to check out the site. We are updating it as regularly as we can. The search function at the top, which is a bit like Amazon. You put in the items, and the results come up. As you can see here, our logo being imprinted into the machine. So yeah, the website's definitely worth checking out. Trying to update as much as we can. We get alhamdulillah, a lot of traffic. Hence, the reason with the hoodies was we put a website on the back, and then from there you can check out all our social media platforms, because we have a feed going for all the main social media platforms. As you can, well, when you visit the site, you can see yourself. So as you can see here, the website is at halalharam.com, getting stitched in. This was the main thing. This is the most up-to-date version of the top now. So we want the focus to be on the site. You know, obviously you can find our social media platform, but this is going to be very important. And a hoodie, obviously we're in the UK, so it's always cold, so the hoodie was going to be very important, a zipped hoodie. Our logo is copyrighted, so we've got the Arabic version of it at the front on the chest. So we thought we'll add that on, and then at the back obviously you got the English version with the website URL. So at the front, as you can see, it says Halal or Haram in Arabic with the dome and the fire. So it looks really good, alhamdulillah. Right, so I thought I'll show you the quick fringe product. It looks really good. The from that shop that we found as well, the hoodies and shirts look really good, and as you can see, the final version looks amazing. So yeah, hopefully check out our new videos coming out soon, inshallah.